Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a capture card to OBS on your PC, and this is easy. So on the left side here, let's go to a scene, go to the plus icon, and just name a scene, maybe like capture card or something like that. That's how I have this set up. And then go to sources, and we want to add a video capture device the same way you would add a camera. It is going to be the way that you add a capture card. So let's go on down to video capture card or video capture device and name it whatever you want. And mine is Live Gamer Ultra, I think. Live Gamer Ultra. So I know what it is, and we can go to OK. Now on the top, go to devices. So you can see my HD webcam. But under devices, your capture card should show up. Just simply select it. And once we have that selected, we want to go on down to resolution FPS type and go to custom under here and go to resolution. And this is where you want to go ahead and just change the resolution to whatever you're trying to output. So for me, on my capture card, I capture it at 4K. This is only going up to 1080 or 1280 by 720, but your capture card should probably be going up a little bit higher. The most important thing is to have the appropriate frames per second. And I'd suggest just maybe high as possible, or 60 frames per second, or 120. Just make sure you're coming in this section and you're changing it. If it's too low, it's going to be super blurry. And just because you have this at 4K doesn't mean OBS is going to output that. So just set that up under there. It's the same way as adding a video camera, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.